Hey YouTube, well, I just did this tonight, like, took me 2.5, 3 hours, but it's finally done. Just waiting for the water to warm up. I took the gravel out of my fish tank, did a 100% water change, put gravel in the cups of bamboo, and heater, just waiting for it to warm up before I put my fish back. Just move the bubbler there. Sorry about the loud bubble noise. It's the other baby tank. They're doing pretty good, except for 2 or 3 of them. This one, I'm treating them with Quick Cure right now. That one. Where's the other one? Him. They're not doing too good. I'm hoping I don't have to cull them. They have sponge filter, no carbon right now, and little air stone. It's at about 80, so they don't get any parasites. They're all eating, so that's a good thing. So I just need to treat with Quick Cure for about 7 days, 100% water changes every day, and they should be good. If they're not, in about a month, I'm going to have to cull them, which I do not like to do, and I've never done it before. So let's hope that I don't have to do that. And here they are. My other fish are in there. I feel so bad for them. Little 2.5 gallon fish bowl. But they'll be in their nice clean aquarium soon. My bird's going to bed soon, so she sees me, so she wants to get out. Python. Yeah, so other than that, they're doing really good. They're eating really good. He lives. I really want to keep him in my tank. He's almost perfect. I want to keep all of them. They're so pretty. I need to get a bigger tank for them right now, though, so hopefully find 20 or something. Maybe, yeah, 20 should be good. So I'll just have to try and find that for now, because it has to be only 6 inches high, because they're so small and their body shapes are all weird. So until they're bigger, it has to be pretty low with the high temperature until they're about a year, I want to say, maybe 2. And I'm feeding them with Ken's Goldfish Food Growth Meal 1.5 millimeters. He's doing better than before. And I lied to you guys. I really have 16, which I didn't even know until today. I miscounted. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I'm happy about that. And now let's turn the lights out. Treating them with Quick Cure. Sorry, it's not focused. It says fast relief for ick and protozoan parasites, which it also does other stuff too. Lots of other stuff. Everything's still in here except for a few things, which probably it's not even noticeable. And this took me a long time, so I hope my fish are happy with this. And here's Ruby. Say hi. She likes the camera. Well, my phone. Say night-night, Ruby. Okay. I will keep you updated on the babies and my new tank. So, see you later. And this is still the same tank, just redecorated. Yep. All my other fish are doing good. Probably haven't seen me. This is the tank. These are fish from my dad's tank because we're moving, so I have to tear that whole tank down, which I already did. And now one of the fish are at my pet store because it's too big to put in that tank with all of them. So until it's all set up, everything's going to be all weird. So I'll keep you posted. Rate, comment, subscribe. Night, guys. Whatever. Night for me, anyway.